Mother, why did you send me off to America? The question I asked. Her reply was, child, you are talented. Go find a new start. Not your way. She never liked to get a life and she want me get a better life. Jamaica crime rate to escalate. Every day death arise. Make a choice, migrate and get a wife. Mark Ross, you know this, you know. Me link my Uncle Barry for some money. Him say, see it, I go set it right. Make everybody nice. Michelle bought me my ticket the next day. Me get a flight. Why did you send me off to America at a time so cold? I've come to realize all that glitter isn't gold, not your ear. And everybody kind as I encountered harsh times, tears streamed on my face as I write these lines in these poems. Shana K, my love me picnic them bad and me seeing my kids smile. Progression on my mind, the Rocky Mountains I still climb, but give God thanks for life, precisely I'm still fine. But I miss Jamaica badly, the warm Caribbean sunshine. It's not like I can't survive in the US, enough opportunities here. I will not be fooled, racism still here, plus people dying everywhere. I miss my good old Jamaican foods. GMO, a waste of time traveling state to state, great, but I'm not in the right state of mind. I can't meditate great if I don't have a space of mind. So I read words of wisdom, so nonsense to penetrate my mind. Why am I gonna send me off to America where more problem evolve? This woman pretending to be authentic, me find out that she's a real fraud. She come and tell me if me no name the ranking meet, me can't get the green card. Mark Ross, me tell her if move her all over. She start call me retard. But me not go stoop low, and this morning for no. Any minute now, let's look back from reach a yard. Why did you send me off to America?